welcome back to today's vlog. So right now I literally just left Dunkin' Donuts. I figured I would give it another try and get some drinks that you guys did recommend. So I did end up getting an iced caramel mocha coffee. I think that's what I got. She asked me again if I wanted cream or sugar, so I said yes to both. I don't know, I just thought like you just order it like when you go somewhere. Oh, I just want like an iced caramel latte, and they just like make it for you. They don't ask you for cream or sugar. But the girl asked me again, so I figured I would just say like yes, whatever. So I got it. I got my iced caramel mocha coffee. This is what this is. And then I also saw something on the menu that said like Heath with like coffee and espresso. I don't know, I just started ordering random shit. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I did see a lot of you guys commenting on what you guys recommended. However, it was just like a lot. Whatever you guys kept saying the most, I just ended up choosing that one. And this was actually very popular. You guys kept saying that you guys love this drink. So let's try it out. Kind of give it a little swirl. Oh my god. It is actually so good. It's crazy because one of you guys said that whenever you try this, it kind of tastes like chocolate milk, and you guys were not lying. This damn thing tastes like chocolate milk. And the good thing about it is that it has espresso, so you know you're gonna get woke the fuck up. This is definitely me. Like this is me right here. Up my alley. I can taste the coffee. Oh damn, I'm messy. I can taste the mocha. The caramel is not that strong, but it's good. I love it. Oh my god. This is legit my first time trying this restaurant, and I am so in love. Look at this. Wow. What did you get?
You see that? You see that?
So good.
Put the sauce
Did you already add the sauce?
Nope.
Wow. I can't wait to put this in my belly. Yeah, I am sweating. I ordered spicy, but I didn't think it was gonna be like this spicy. It's motherfucking spicy, okay? I'm almost done, but your girl is sweating. You know, it's like that spicy where it's like, it's so spicy that you just can't stop eating. Like the spicier it is, the more that you want to eat. So that's where I'm at right now, but I am like sweating so bad. It's ridiculous. Whew, I feel like I can't even breathe. Ooh, and then I just had that coffee too. I don't think that was a good idea. Never been here. We're gonna try it out. Let's go. The home decor superstore. Do you guys see that? This is like furniture heaven right here. I am so excited to look through all of this. A white table. Out of all of these little tables on all of these shelves, there's not one white round table. Not one. I only found this one right here. What do you guys think about it? I really want a round table for my living room, so let me know how you guys feel. It's like a kind of like a metal material. I don't know how I feel about it. And on top of that, it has no price. I don't even know how much it is. Two things to describe me. One, two. Oh, I forgot. A bed. Let's jump in here. I need to find this table. Seriously, I am like tired. Let's get this over here. I think I found a really cool table here. This one's actually squared, but it's very abstract, and I kind of like the vibe. Let me show you guys real quick so you can have a look. It's this table right here. I love this little abstract thing that it has here. I don't know, I really like it, and I like the glass. I can put like a nice little white plant in the middle to make it a little bit more vibrant. $89. Oh no, this one's cute. This is an option. I found a white table. I found one. Wow. But it has the little brown feet. Tell me why. I just found a very cozy place in the back of the store, and I'm literally laying here on this little couch. After that food that I just had, Your girl is tired, okay? And I've been spending all day trying to look for this freaking table, and I still can't find anything. So I might even take a nap here. I'm literally hiding where there's couches and like beds and stuff. Should we just like spend the night here?
That's a great idea.
I think that's a good idea too. Oh my God, people.
Play possum.
Play dead. Back to looking for this table again. I legit want to like just spend the night here. Maybe we should like stay here until he catches. I'm literally going to eat my leftover food from that seafood place. I really didn't eat much because like I said, it was super spicy, so I really couldn't enjoy it much. So I have my leftovers. I still have like a whole corn, a potato, and a couple of shrimp in there. So I'm just gonna kind of eat it because now I'm getting extremely hungry. I was sleepy, super sleepy, after I ate a little bit. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Just like a little mini mukbang in this video. This rice is so good. But we ended up going to at home, but I just didn't find anything. Every single table that I found, the black one that I showed you guys and like the other ones, I didn't end up getting it because I just wasn't in love with them. So I was telling myself, why even waste money? You know, like kind of do like an impulsive buy if I'm not really into it. So I ended up just like not getting it. But I literally drove like 30 minutes to this place for nothing. Yeah, shrimp is good. This rice is so good, y'all. So good. It even has like shrimp in the rice. I kind of need to cough because it's so spicy. Let's try this baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, I think I just found my favorite homemade iced coffee. Wow. Hey beauty babes, welcome to another day in the vlog. It is currently 6 a.m. right now. I am up first thing in the morning because your girl gotta go to work. Y'all know I am not a morning person, so I had to pour me some iced coffee. Yesterday I went to Target to go try this iced coffee right here. It's this one. Shout out to one of my beauty babes who actually gave me this little iced coffee recipe. She really recommended it. I low-key wanted the French vanilla one, but they didn't have it. They only had this one, which is the caramel. I'm still a caramel girl. I love caramel coffee, so it's really not a big deal for me. And then I tried it with my almond creamer. I only drink like almond milk. I love almond milk, so I just got the vanilla one. And I can really taste both. I can taste the caramel and I can taste the vanilla, but let me tell you, this is like my favorite iced coffee at the moment. I need to like low-key save it because I want to be sipping on this on the way to work, and I feel like I'm about to finish this like right now. Okay, so let me get the rest of my stuff ready for work because I don't want to be late. Well, it is Sunday today, so there's probably like no traffic whatsoever, so I'm not really stressed about that. I can just like leave in the next like 5 minutes. Can you guys tell that I just woke up? I'm horrible at this. So first things first, we're gonna have our coffee, of course, and today's actually a new day. And I feel like yesterday, I think I added too much creamer. I mean, it was really good, don't get me wrong. It was really, really good. But I think like for my tasting, I just added way too much creamer. So today I'm just gonna add just a tiny bit. but I drank this thing like it was juice on my way to work yesterday, and it was like so good. By the way, I'm wearing like a PJ shirt, so don't mind me. I just put that. You already know what time it is. Time to make this coffee, girl, because I cannot function without coffee. Oh my god, so good. I feel like it's not as sweet as the one I had from yesterday. Well, as the one that I made yesterday. So that's good. I'm like the only crazy person that does not add any butter to her waffles or like pancakes. I just don't like butter like that for some reason. So the only thing I do is just pour some syrup on my waffles. I think my waffles are already cold though, because I've been like talking forever. Let's sit down. Let me zoom you guys in just a tiny bit. Yeah, that's good. Let's eat this. I could have warmed them up a little bit more, but that's what I get for taking a long time making my coffee and stuff and talking to you guys and setting up this camera. So good. I've been thinking like for my videos, whenever I'm gonna do like a mukbang or like anything of that sort, like me eating, I'm just gonna like do it like raw, just the way it comes out. I'm not gonna edit this. I'm just gonna upload this clip as it is, because I want you guys to get the whole shebang, you know, like the whole reality of me eating and stuff. I don't know, there's just something about like people eating and the way they act and how they are when they eat. Like, is it just me? I don't know. People tend to be like happier, if you know what I mean. I mean, but why wouldn't they be happier, right? Because like eating is life, so hello. I hope I'm in focus. Okay, let's try some of our coffee. Oh, this is so good. Oh my god. So today we do have a couple of plans. I am gonna go to the mall in a bit. I have to get ready, of course, because this is me just like waking out of the bed looking like a goddamn mummy. So I have to get ready, go to the mall, pick up some stuff. I have to run like a couple of errands because today is my day off. So I gotta make sure I do everything. And then I have to upload this vlog. So I don't think I'm gonna add any more footage to this vlog. I think I'm just gonna save it for the next vlog, because if I vlog today, I know the vlog that I'm gonna upload is going to be extremely long and I don't want to like overwhelm you guys. Even though you guys probably do like long vlogs. What? I'll rather have this vlog up today and upload it in a decent hour than vlog for the rest of the day and then not get home till like 8, then edit the video and then have it up by like 11 p.m. That's way too late. So I'll rather just like end it halfway, like maybe now after I eat, and then just upload it. I don't know. I might add something. I just want to be able to upload my vlog at a decent time. I'm aiming like no later than 8 p.m. Anything later is like, girl, what you doing? Okay. I'm not gonna like bore you guys with me eating and talking. I still have to like unpack everything that I bought from Target. I even bought like self-tanners. Like, I'm so retarded. Why did I buy self-tanners? Like, why? I even bought this little self-tanner spray. I'm like doing too much. Why did I buy that? I don't know. I just came to a realization that I need a tan. I am like way too light. Way too light. This is like unacceptable. Oh god, this is so good. Okay, maybe I should just like cut this off because I've been filming now for like 13 minutes, which again is unacceptable. But I don't know, I might end the vlog here. If not, I'll see you guys later.